How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So the first step is by opening your Instagram app and then by swiping right like this one so that you may open the camera section. And right here you may see layout if you want to have layouts like this one. If you want to add 4 photos, you may also change it to 2 photos, 3 photos, and 6 photos right here. Also, you may take a photo first, just like this one. I'll take a photo, go to stickers right here, and then scroll down and look for the sticker in which you may be able to add photos right here. So click on that sticker and then choose the photo that you want. For example, I'll just choose just one. Choose that one, and then you may go back to the sticker icon once again and choose another photo. So you may do it again and again, and then that's it. That's how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.